guys, this is the door to enter our suite room. Right when we enter the room, we see this huge and magnificent sofa cum bed where you can also sleep. Then it has marble flooring, and then right beside the sofa you have this two huge windows through which you can see this magnificent and mesmerizing view, which is the golden beach, the Puri beach. Then when we shift the camera a little bit, we get to see this little dustbin where you can throw your stuff. Right beside which we get this sliding door through which we enter our room, and then we remove the curtains and enter our room, where we get this toilet. I'm not gonna enter it because I don't want to give a washroom tour, but then we walk towards our room and we have this queen size bed. We have two sofas, a TV, a refrigerator, a table to keep your things, and then we have got this huge vanity or mirror where I'm showing you guys my outfit. We have also kept some makeup vagera over here, and then we move towards the main part of our room, the main showpiece of our room, or the main show of our room, we can say. We have this sliding door which when we slide open we get to our balcony. You need to step a little bit, like just like this, and then we get to the balcony to see this magnificent view, which is the golden beach of Puri, the Puri beach. And this is the main show of our room. I don't need to say anything else. The suit was really good, we really liked it. And yeah, with this we come to the end of today's video.